for your performance in this film, Inside Man, which I'm sure everyone will enjoy. So please accept, on behalf of all the staff of the New York Asian Film Festival, the Star Asia Award.
Come on.
Thank you. Thank you very much for such a great award. It's really great to be here in New York and to show my film, Inside Man, to all of you. I would like to thank New York Asian Film Festival, of course, and Subway Cinema, and Jamir. And, lastly, I would like to thank my wife over there. Yeah.
Mrs. E, would you like to say hi to the audience?
No,
He called it. Don't be shy. Just a quick hi. Here she is.
This is my wife, Min Jong Lee.
She's very shy.
So awkward.
Let's get into questions. I would like to ask you a few questions. Why don't you join
Sure.
us
Should we do it
here?
right away?